Here we are, deep within the silicon savanna of the X870 chipset. A landscape of immense complexity ruled by unforgiving laws of physics. Our subject today is the majestic, yet terribly skittish AM5 socket. It is a creature of 1,000 pins, demanding absolute sub-millimeter precision to thrive. Watch now as the native technician attempts the delicate migration ritual. He approaches slowly. The heat station roars to life, the mating call of the hardware enthusiast. The socket makes landfall, a perfect placement. The herd is silent. Disaster strikes. In an overzealous attempt to apply the life-giving flux, a catastrophic nudge, the socket skitters away from its pads. The delicate solder ball alignment is shattered, a tragedy in miniature. But look closely at the technician's furrowed brow. Doubt, the predator that stalks us all, creeps in. Is it perfectly square? Is pin A one truly in its ancestral home? The paralyzing fear of misalignment takes hold. Astonishing behavior. He is removing it again, a ritualistic display of obsessive compulsion rarely observed in the wild. The poor plastic rectangle, subjected to thermal abuse hitherto unknown to science. Finally, the third attempt. The heat is applied, the flux flows, it settles with a satisfying surface tension wobble, and there it sits, a little toasty, perhaps deeply traumatized, but functional. The ecosystem is, at long last, restored.